Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have your Apple ID password and two-factor access. This prevents lockouts. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings, tap your name, then choose iCloud for address fields or media and purchases for billing. This begins the change process. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in for stability before moving to account edits. You'll edit payment and shipping to update your billing address. Enter the new street, city, state, and ZIP so billing matches local requirements. Once that's saved, go to your Apple ID contact details and change home address for ID and recovery accuracy. If your move affects sales tax or available services, update the App Store region and payment method accordingly. Make sure all fields match your new state to avoid declined purchases or service mismatches. Finish by verifying the address change in your email and in settings under your name. This confirms Apple processed updates. Once complete, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID to refresh services and location-based app permissions. If purchases fail or the state still shows the old one, reset network settings, confirm payment method matches the new state, and restart the device. If problems persist, contact Apple support while you're near your account info and backup details for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.